boats, the biggest part is from Penajam Pasar Utara. The smaller part is from Kutai Kartanegara next. However, my master student found that if here is IKN, and she found that the red one is at a higher place, higher elevation. Next. However, the dust of the water set of the IKN is really limited to provide drinking raw water for drinking water purposes. Next. However, our government developed, okay, we still move the capital city, but we can take rainwater as source of raw water. This one, Bendungan Sepaku Semoy, which is not filled by the water until today. It's lack of water. The other part, is only a plant on paper. It's not even established yet. It's not even groundbreaking yet. Next. So, in our the new Capital City Act, they intend, because of the different elevation, they use pump to provide the water. Next. Here, if from the Bendungan Sepaku Semoy Dam, they provide water, they will deliver the water from this part to IKN City here. It is IKN City. Next. And we try to model the system of water from point A to point C. Next. However, this is the gap here. They do not even realize that they will deliver water from the lower region, 40 meters above sea level, to 140 meters above sea level, which is they push the water from the lower region to the upper region, which is look like this. Next. This is how we think, the conceptual frameworks. If the hydraulic escalation is negative, which is what I mean with negative is we push the water from lower region to higher region, it will cost to the pumping regime. How much is the cost? Because later, not even one city in Indonesia can prove themselves can provide drinkable water from the tap water. If they can do that, it will cost them cost of production, and later they will sell the water very much higher if they compare today. Next. Now we try to calculate how much it affects to the cost. If the negativity of hydraulic elevation, we push the water through the pump, how much it later costs to the people who live in the IKN area. Next. So we found that negativity, please return one slide. Yeah. Here you will find that negativity is about minus 7.5 kilometers, which is minus 7.5 is really need a big pump to push the water above. And if the electricity suddenly drop, there is in civil engineering, hydraulic engineering, there is what's so-called water hammer. The water suddenly back there, and it will cost the pump and also the foundation of the dam will destroy in half a second, even quarter of a second. So later we try to reduce it, we try to clean it. I mean, we use the moderate assumption. Later it costs us 5.25 bar of pressure, which is return pressure. Next. Moreover, which is most interesting part for me, is we use pump 25 hours per day, 7 days a week, 365 days in a year. There is an additional cost for